right part, yeah, that's the living, where they eat, everything, you know.
Yeah.
The first deck of the house, on deck, it might be storage and stuff like that. But there's usually a crew of 20, anywhere from, 18 to 24. Crew, 18 to 24.
It's very big.
No.
I said 30, somewhere around there.
It's empty right now. I think that's the United Grains.
Put grain in it. They stopped here to have grain inspectors check the hole, make sure they're adequate, not dirty, you know. Yeah.
Where does it come from?
You know, I don't know where this one came from. It could have been China this morning. Or, actually, I think it's right. I think it is a Chinese crew.
So you're just going that one direction,
Yep.
and then you're
The name of the boat, Nord Taipei.
So why
come back
do they
somehow.
fly the American flag?
Because it's in American waters.
You fly when you
Has
get
to.
in? You has to.
Has to.
Just like when we go to Canada, we have to fly the Canadian flag up.
Okay.
I think we can do the bow here. I
Bow?
don't think there's much current.
Okay.
Dustin, it's a Chinese crew, I think.
Okay.
How's your Chinese?
Ah, full.
Lunch.
Yeah.
It's not American Chinese.
No way. Where's the flag?
We got a guy running down the deck here right now.
Yeah.
like, oh.
If you look up to the left, you can see the hatches are open in the middle of the ship there. So
Oh,
they-
yeah.
They had them open to do some inspections.
Got it.
Preparation for that.
Because these are those are the hatch doors, basically.
Yeah,
So they would be down.
according-
Got it.
Well, you guys enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
very much.
Thanks.
Nice to meet you guys.
Signature about this.
Take her easy, Dan.
See you, Dustin. You bet,
Oh,
pal.
he's going up a ramp.
Yeah, that's a little more legit than that like ladder.
Yeah.
Chinese crew or-
Yeah, so they have what's called flags of convenience, which is all kind of tax and safety patient. Normally, Panama, commercial vehicles. It can be owned, could be owned by the U.S. government.
Whoa.
Subsidiary.
There we go. Touch it, and out goes wild.
That's crazy.
Licensing.
So what is he doing?
It'd be like if you lived in
Who,
Oregon.
Kurt?
and had a-
No, the
That you put him on, you mean?
Yeah.
He's gonna go up there and tell him he's anchor. He's gonna take this ship to Portland.
No, you're
He's the
fine.
pilot.
Nice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's young. He's a young pilot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, well, most of the.
That's awesome.
And he's gonna do the same job. I mean, I used to fish for his dad in Alaska.
Really?
Yeah, when he was like 5 years old. So it's pretty cool.